Hello friends, when you experience a pickup problem with your HP Laserjet 1010, 1018, 1020 and so on, probably you have to replace the pickup roller. In this video I will show you how to do this. Open the top cover and take out the cartridge. As you see, here we have our pickup roller. It's very easy to replace it. Just push aside these white hooks. You can do it with your fingers. Push aside and it will pop up. I have obtained a new one. How to place it? Place it in reverse order. And that's it. We have a new pickup roller. Thank you very much and good luck.